Your vape. Your vape.
Oh shit.
Pays at 1 ohm. It's about 7,000 watts clamp power. It does a 60 plus on music, so that's what I'm about to give you. I've been having head unit issues, so hopefully I don't give you. Hopefully I don't think there's. Let's see. It might cut off. We'll see. Wow. You come here.
I would ask her if she wants highs or lows.
Alright, so I'll give you the high note and then I'll give you the low note for a point trick afterwards. Are you ready? Try again, nigga. Try again, nigga. You good? Yeah. Here, give me the hairs now. The lows. Give me the lows now. Yeah. So first the highs, I'll give you the lows. You shut it. You shut it. Get a new head unit. Yeah, pretty windy too.
Dope. Yeah.
And then, so it does the lows and the highs, but the high note. Audio, no daily driver, just fun, but it does drive.
It does drive?
Yeah, it's not a trailer. So I drove it to like get groceries and stuff.
And I'm assuming it does a hair trick on the hair trick.
Well, you have to shut the door hard first. Yeah. 3 layer wood there too. So I'll give you the. Yeah. I know it's first and then
Your vape. Your vape.
Oh shit. Tim, hold this.
It sucks the vape.
I forgot they were even in my purse.
pressure was doing that.
Yeah, I saw it smoking and I'm like, oh shit, it's right. See the smoke?
Oh wow, that's crazy. You got that on camera?
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
I gotta put lows
Smells
down.
like
That was
now.
the high note.
That's fucking wild.
Thank you.
His head unit is popping.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a new head unit. Alright, now this is the 26 hertz. Not nearly as good as y'all's, but it's still pretty good.
Prendan el bonsai, las moñas son violetas como Tai. Las baby las bajamos de Dubai. Aquí siempre andamos en el aire como Mike. La convierte en Benchi, las putas de frente. culo me llega a Roselby. Me clavo a la casa del trendy. Tu mamá no puesto en el belly. Chingarrico para darle una Wendy. Él la cacho por deli. Se caen saliendo de heavy. Ya. En la calle chica, sabes lo que vamos. Practicando música, por eso nosotros viajamos. Grupos en fila, de 3 en 3 y la matamos. Uy, 100.000 en el cuello, 50.000 en cada mano. Calidad y habilidad, no se trabaja sin calidad. Cobrando melones por mensualidad. Mi cuenta bancaria.
Your vape.
Oh shit, Tim pulled this.
It sucks the vape.
I forgot they were even in my purse.
Fresher was doing that?
Yeah, I saw it
doesn't
smoking and I'm like, oh shit, it's right. See the smoke?
Oh wow, that's crazy. You got that on camera?
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
I gotta put loads
Smells
on.
like
Yeah,
great
that
now.
was the high note. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.